Qiao Zhenyu is a Chinese actor who is a graduate of the Beijing Dance Academy. He was born on November 1, 1978 in Guilin, China. In 2013, he married Wang Qianyi. In 2022, he starred in Wicked City. In 2021, he starred in Heart of Loyalty. The same year, he also played Faith Makes Great. He also had a minor role in the 2010 film Confucius as the titular philosopher's son. He graduated from the Beijing Dance Academy. In 2020, he starred in Great Age. The same year, he also played the case solver. In 2019, Qiao starred in the historical drama Empress of the Ming. In 2019, Qiao starred in the mystery wave drama Mystery of Antiques. He has secured his position as one of the most internationally recognizable actors working in the China entertainment industry today. In 2017, he starred in the historical drama Song of Phoenix, portraying King Wei of Chu. He received the Outstanding Performance Award at the inaugural Gold Hibiscus Awards. In 2014, he starred in the hit fantasy action drama Swords of Legends and received popularity for his portrayal of the anti-hero Ouyang Shaogang. He displayed his wide range of acting skills in both the serious roles and dramatic roles equally. In 2013, he starred in the critically acclaimed family drama To Elderly with Love. The same year, he starred in the critically acclaimed historical drama Heroes of Sui and Tang Dynasties, as well as period drama Beauties at the Crossfire. He received recognition for his acting performance and won the Most Popular Actor award at the Shanghai Television Festival. In 2007, he starred in The Spirit of the Sword, based on the novel of the same name by Ji Long. The drama was a rating seat and propelled Qiao to fame in China. He also starred in several well-received historical dramas like Seven Swords and The Book and the Sword. In 2006, he starred in several hit dramas, namely Princess Shengping, Love of Fate and Fast Track Love, which won him recognition. He received the Best New Actor award at the TVS Awards ceremony.